The Home Hub is an assistant that's not just voice-driven, but also has the ability to be touched and display information.
Wherever you are, you can ask a question, and displays will just be there to provide relevant info without you really even doing anything.
A really cool feature of Home Hub is being able to use voice match to personalize your experience as you're playing different media. So when I ask Google to play some music, it'll play my favorite playlist instead of playing my wife's favorite playlist.
When you put it in your kitchen, you now have a device that has a cooking assistant with it to guide you through recipes. It can multitask with timers.
Every morning when I wake up and I'm on my way out the door, there's always a question of, do I bring a jacket with me? How cold is it? Is it gonna rain? And with Home Hub, the weather is just like in that lower left-hand corner. And so I can see, oh, it's 52 degrees out. I'm gonna grab a jacket.
So the thing that shocked me was how little you actually have to use this device to enjoy this device.
So I recently got married back in August, and we got our photos back, and there are, of course, thousands of them. And so I just uploaded them to Google Photos. And the cool thing about Hub, instead of having to like go through files and files and pick out our favorite ones, it would just magically show us memories from that special day.
One of the advantages of not having a camera on this device is it can actually go into any room.
It's great in the kitchen where you can use it to cook, so setting timers is a natural use case there. But it's also really nice in your bedroom, whether you're using it for alarms to wake up in the morning, or if you just wanna check in on your various smart home gadgets at night to make sure your house is locked and secure.
It's an amazing addition to your home. It's just there. It just works.